after weeks upon mail.
Bust my buffers, it's great to be back, carrying top secret cargo down the railroad track.
Top secret cargo? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Who knows? I've hauled a lot of freight cars, and I've battled cranes in space, but I've never picked up cargo from a military base.
Thomas and Vector, you know I'd hate to bore you. Toward you! Bore you! Toward you! Bore you! Toward you! Bore you! Toward you!
Cinders and ashes, it's Birdie!
You don't know we're carrying, I'd safe agree, but never fear, Bertie's here, the lady free.
Yeah, he's not stopping!
Everybody's friend rats! Lady? Lady?
Too long I have hidden it, awaiting my return.
Vector, can you hear me? I'm afraid we've just been stranded. The tunnel's crashed and broken. The whole team has been disbanded.
Not the whole team.
We've got to think of something. We have to save the world.
I got a great idea. It's time to call the girls.
Now's the time.